Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 10-in-1 rice cooker. This thing is so great because it's completely compact, has a nice little carrying handle. All your controls are just right here, right on the front. They're all preset. They got little pictures to tell you, and I'll show you up close here. To open it, you just press this little button, and it opens it up. You've got your little vegetable steam basket, and then you have your 4-cup inside non-stick basket as well. So I am going to bring you in here close, and we are going to make some rice, and we'll see how this thing works. So here this is up close. It just plugs into a standard 110 outlet. You've got your power button right here. It's a nice bright screen. And then it just highlights which one that you are doing. So you can go to your next one just by pressing the menu. It tells you how long each one of these are, whether it's oatmeal, mixed grain, steaming, slow cook, eggs, lots of different options. And you can delay start your items. If you wanted to delay start that, you can just start it up, hit your delay start, and you can delay it up to 15 hours that you can get this all set up, delay start it, and then it will be going whenever you are ready for it to go. It also has the keep warm function. So what we're gonna do is mix up some rice. They do give a little measuring cup here and a rice spoon. So that is really nice that they include all of that. So now I've got my rice in there, and you can see on the inside, it does have those nice lines that tells you exactly where you're at for your measurements. Then we will stir it up a little bit, and I will get it started. Just click that back down, and now that lid is nice and secured. And I'm just gonna start it up. We're gonna do some quick rice and hit start, and off it goes. Once it's done, we will come and check it out. So my rice is now finished. We have it at 0 hours, and it automatically went to the keep warm setting. Now it did make a really loud beeping noise when it was done to alert you that it was done. So let's look in here. That looks like some good rice. They do give you this nice spoon to be able to use. Rice is nice and fluffy, and as you can see, it is not sticking to the bottom. So that is amazing. I am excited to continue to use this nice rice maker and use it for all sorts of other functions, whether it's eggs or cake, making some jelly. This would be a nice little 10-in-1 cooker.